Are you trying to sell your product and services using Shopify but getting no sales or limited number of sales? So this video is specially for you. My name is Tushar and welcome in another Shopify customization episode. When I start my first Shopify store, I got zero sales in first 2 months, due to which I got frustrated, and due to frustration I will close my Shopify store. And most of the beginners doing the same mistake which I done that time. And this is the cause of 60% failed Shopify businesses. But after learning and researching the right strategy, in this video I will guide you the step which is performed by the most successful Shopify store owners. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, so pause this video first and go to my YouTube channel and subscribe it, because in this channel I will post Shopify tips and tricks related video which helps you to make your Shopify business successful. So let's get started. So the context of this video, here we will discuss 4 hacks or Shopify tips which helps you to drive organic traffic on your product or your services. So here first point is join the relevant Facebook groups. For example, I am providing the Shopify services as a freelancer. So I joined the Facebook groups which is based on the Shopify and share the content related to my services in this group, which helps people to know about my services and product and differentiate me with my competitors. Here the second step is make the tutorial videos. There are multiple platforms like YouTube, Insta, Facebook, LinkedIn, where you can post the content like how to use your services and product, what are the benefits of your product and services, and how they can help the people to resolve their problems. When you post the content in this platform, you can target a large audience without spending a coin. Third step is engage in online communities and forums. You have to create an account on the platform like Quora, Reddit, Medium, etc., where you can share the content related to your product and your services and answer the people problems how your product or services can resolve their problems. And the fourth step is use the Pinterest image search engine, which is a very powerful tool to drive the organic traffic on your product and services. Using these 4 simple hacks, you can create a organic marketing network which helps you to increase your sales. If you want that I will describe these 4 points briefly, then comment point brief and subscribe my YouTube channel, and meet you again in a next episode. Bye bye.